Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Salin. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Do Non Do. It is basically a good project. You can be able to work on it too. So I will share all the detail in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you will get a notification of new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review of this brilliant project named as Do Non Do. Basically, it's work on the meditation process that you have to take a moment for practicing non-doing for just for the 10 minutes every day at exactly 12 p.m. in your time zone, and you do not need to do anything to join this movement. Just do nothing every day at noon and just give yourself just 10 minutes so that you can be able to enjoy yourself. You can get to know about yourself too, and you will get the best thing in you, that what do you want in that time, and that is the time that it's for yourself. And in that busiest life you need that 10 minutes for doing that. So it's basically on that. I will share their details, I will share their home, how it works, their roadmap, why the white paper is needed and what is the white paper. Then I will share their white paper with you too, details here. So I am basically here, you can see their interface which is given here. They give this clock which shows the time of for the 10 minutes, and you can see they give a beautiful interface with this clock animations. You can see it here how to do non-do, and we will be sharing something interesting with you very soon, helping you find happiness in non-doing. In meantime, here are a few tips that what you can do, how you can do. They have the token name as DND10, so I will recommend you to must go and buy it. It is on the deck screen. I will share with you how you can swap that by using your MetaMask wallet. I will share with you about the coin market cap too, that it is also on the coin market cap. And you can see they have the deck screen. It is basically the Solana blockchain project, and their community, their exchange is Solana, which is a biggest at that time. You can see it is growing, and you can see the initial reveal was there in 2022. Their website launched in June 2024, and in December they will go for the setup. You can see it here. The white paper reveal on 24th of December. January 2025 they will go for marathon. You can see MVP in Feb, and you can see their blue release and more up in 2025 too. So you can see, if I go further, once I ask myself how can I stop for, it's been happening on our planet for thousands of years. So a gun, how many rounds can he fire in 10 minutes? And then imagine all soldiers on our planet, how many shoots can all of them fire in 10 minutes? So they all are human beings. They are telling about non-doing for 10 minutes, that how they started here and how they think about that, saying that people are difficult to handle. If I will see that I'm also a human being and you are also, so the difficult to agree that we are also be not able to understand that we need that 10 minutes of layer in our busy routine, that we are difficult to agree on different things, and maybe we have too many things to agree on, but we can agree on just one thing. What if we agree to do nothing for just 10 minutes every day? How about practicing non-doing every day at noon in your time zone? With each passing, more and more people will join this site, and they are practicing that. One day the war will stop, at least for the 10 minutes, that you can enjoy your time zone just for the 10 minutes and not doing the thing, not thinking about your jobs, not thinking about the expenses, not thinking about anything else. You are giving just 10 minutes to yourself for non doing anything, and just sit and just think on the mediation time. So it is common to provide white paper with the project, but first let's explain that what the white paper is. So according to the Collins dictionary, white paper can mean paper bleached white, an official government report, an authoritative report. So you can read that too, but it's given here that what it is. But I will share that white paper with you too further. So you can see tips that they are this website, this person is going to give us about do not do. First it's all about the basically benefits and the things that if we give the time for that, but now they are giving the tips that how you can pretty simple to do nothing if you really dedicated yourself to practice. So there are many different ways to practice non-doing. However, some are sit comfortably somewhere and practice that meditation. So and the second tip is that stay still and observe what is inside and what is outside of you, that what is happening, that what are going in that, and lie down and chill and let your mind relax. So you can use these three things, that you can sit comfortable, practice meditation, or you can sit and observe your own self and the outing out of the things is going, and you can lay down or chill mind your relax mind with. You can use that music which is given here. I'm not playing that due to the copyright issues. You can see they are saying what is FAQs are given. You can go to the frequent question, that do a hashtag do non do is a movement of non doing different things. It is dedicated to separating the wisdom of doing nothing, and what is their token, what is goals, and you can read all that. I will further go for their different things that they are on the soul scan means Solana, and their token name is given, decimal, everything is given. You can go their price is given, which is 0.0006131. At that time it's slow, but its price is going up by day, and I will recommend you to don't miss that opportunity. Must go and invest. As you can see, they have the market cap of $613k dollars, and they have currently supply of 999k, and they have holders which is 3041. So must go and be the holder and hold that. You can buy that too, and they have the coin market cap. As you can see, it's hit that price which is given at 0.0008, but now its price is down, and it will go up again. So must go and join it. You can see it here. At that time its price is low. In Solana it is 0.05, and you can see the volume which is $2.46k from the last 24 hour. Liquidity is 88.56. If you want to see it on the DEX skinner, you can see that too. Their price is given, their 1 hour delays and all that is given. At that time it's going down, but in the future it will go up, and you can see they are going best in that. So I will want to share with you about their token of soul scan, as already shared. You can join them on the Telegram too. I would recommend you to must go and join them, so that their news will goes live and you will get to know. You can also join them on the Twitter. You can see they have given about that details. You can see, I will just reload that. You can see videos and different kind of things. They are giving time to hashtag do not do. There you are my audience. I would recommend you to must use that hashtag, so we can get to know that we are in that community. And you can see the battle for Facebook soon, and you can see their different details is given. Those who hashtag do not do, and those who still do, and you can see it here. They are giving different details, and I will recommend you to must go and join them. You can also join them on the TikTok. They have shown me yours, so as it is showing that it will go to the moon, and that you are seeing it is, so must go and join them. So as their price will goes up, and you can also be a part of that. You are holding that, and I am doing the experience, and I am doing my own research on that, and I'm saying that it will goes up and the price will goes up 10x. So I will recommend you to do your own research too and join it too. So just observe and hash do not do. Here life is about happiness. So if you are happy, if you are doing good and relaxed with your mind, you will do better things. You will get more benefits from your work as you are relaxed, and you have more motivation to do your work. You have more ability to do the work, or you can enjoy the life too as you are happy. So I recommend you, I give you the tips that they are giving, I share the details about that. So I am practicing that 10 minutes, and even though I am also going to buy that, I am holding that tokens here, that their price will goes up, and it is a best opportunity. so you must go and join it too. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching.